In this video, we are given f of x equals to negative 2x squared plus 8x plus 10 equals to m. And we are asked to find the values of m where this function will have one root. For one root, sometimes they'll say equal roots. Ne? One root and equal roots is the same thing. So let's firstly check the effects of m. We have negative 2x squared plus 8x plus 10 and then minus m. I just brought the m to the other side. Ne? Let me just rewrite it properly. It's going to be negative 2x squared plus 8x plus 10 minus m. So we can see that the effect of m is shifting the graph up and down depending on the sign. Ne? And we can see that if this graph goes up, this function will always have two roots, right? So with roots, ne, we always check the turning point. Ne? So what will happen here is if the m is equals to 18, this graph we see will have minus 18 there, which means the m will be moving the graph 18 units down. So the turning point will be exactly on the x-axis. And if the turning point is exactly on the x-axis, we have one root or equal roots. Ne? So the answer for the first question is m equals to 18. So when m equals to 18, we're going to have one root. Now, let's say we move with more than 18 down, let's say 19. If we're moving it with 19, it's going to turn somewhere there. Ne? It's going to turn on negative 1 because we're going to say 18 minus 19, which is negative 1. So, and we'll have no roots, right? So we can see that when m is bigger than 18, we will always have non-real roots or imaginary roots. Ne? And obviously the opposite of that will give us real roots, right? Real roots is basically m is less than or equals to 18. But the question is asking for when we have two roots. So two roots, it can be equals to 18 because equals to 18 give us one root. Ne? So for two roots, m must be less than 18. And that's it, ladies and gents. Thank you.